Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable building a content approval app with Google Drive, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin enabling a content approval app with Google Drive, navigate to your Google Drive account. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Create a new folder in Google Drive to store all content related to your approval app. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Select Folder from the drop-down menu. Name the folder appropriately, such as Content Approval App. Next, create the necessary Google Forms that will facilitate content submission. Return to the New button and select More, then click on Google Forms. Design the form to include fields for content title, description, and file upload. Set the file upload option to allow users to submit documents that require approval. Once your form is complete, configure the response settings. Click on the Responses tab in the form editor. Select the three vertical dots and choose Select Response Destination. Opt for Create a new spreadsheet to track submissions. Open the newly created Google Sheet linked to your form. Here, you will monitor submissions and approval statuses. Now, set up permission for users to access the folder where submitted documents will reside. Right-click on the folder you created earlier and select Share. Enter the emails of users who will have access to submit and review content. Adjust their permission settings to allow them to upload files. Next, create a separate Google Sheet for tracking approvals. Go back to Google Sheets and create a new sheet titled Approval Tracker. Establish columns for the content title, submitter, approval status, and reviewer comments. Now, create a system for reviewers to provide feedback and approvals on submissions. Consider using a Google Apps script to automate email notifications to reviewers when new content is submitted. Access the script editor by clicking on Extensions and selecting Apps Script. Write a simple script that triggers an email to reviewers when a new response is submitted. Be sure to test the email function to confirm delivery is working correctly. After setting up notifications, outline the approval process in your approval tracker sheet. Define criteria for approvals and create a visual indicator for statuses, such as drop-down. Regularly monitor the submissions in your main response Google Sheet. Ensure that all feedback from reviewers gets recorded in the approval tracker. You can refine the form and approval processes based on team feedback and usage patterns. Finally, inform all users of the new approval app and provide guidance on how to submit their content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.